How to clean the filter on your Vax Blade vacuum cleaner. Now I'm showing you today on a Vax Blade 5, but the theory is the same even if you have an older model. This is going to make your vacuum perform better and also make it smell better too. We're going to start by removing the bin and then the top cover just pulls up. If you have an older model, they twist off. Now you will see the filter inside. This is fully washable. Also, the insert in there can be pulled out too. Now we go to the bin and we're going to get rid of the worst of the dust. We're going to brush off the insert and we're going to tap it against the bin, give it a wipe with a cloth, and then the filter itself, get rid of any hair and major dust that's on there. Again, give that a tap. Dust went everywhere with this one. It's absolutely jam-packed with the stuff. Once you've got rid of the worst of the dust, you need to go over to the sink and run a tap of warm water. Now we're not going to rush this. We're going to clean this filter until the water runs clear. And we're going to be squeezing it ever so gently, not going too mad, just to get all the dust out of there. Now this next bit is my personal preference that I've been doing for 15 years on vacuum cleaners, and that is just to put a little bit of neat disinfectant to kill any germs and make the filter smell nicer, as long as we rinse it afterwards too. This filter absolutely stunk, and now it's quite nice. Once you finish your cleaning, we need to put it to dry for 24 hours. Please do not put this in if it's even slightly damp. It's going to block up quicker, and also you run the risk of your motor sucking out any moisture, and then that's going to wreck your motor. So once it's fully dry, we put the insert back into the bin and then make sure this is sat neatly on top of it. Then replace your lid and then put the bin back on the vacuum cleaner. If you have a Vax Blade 4 or 5, this is how to do it. So the top bit goes in first and then you push down the bottom bit. To reset a clean filter warning, if you have one, just hold down the carpet and the plus button at the same time until you get a green tick. And that is it, your filter cleaning is complete. This next video is one that YouTube has chosen for you, and also I have all sorts of other Vax Blade videos on my channel. If ever you have any problems with your Vax, please subscribe to me so you can find me quicker next time.